Hi friends, today we are going to create neon effect in few easy steps in Illustrator. Always keep your background dark for this effect. First, place your artwork or logo and align to center. Now we will give offset path to create new inner shape. For the offset path, go to Object menu, find Path and click on Offset Path, and set value as you want, because this is depend on your artwork or logo, so put your own values. Inner shape has been created. Disable shape fill and give stroke only and increase stroke thickness as much as you want. But don't go with more bigger, because later we are going to apply some effects. Now make duplicate shape. Press Ctrl plus C and press Ctrl plus B to paste in back. Keep selected back object and give shadow. To apply shadow, click on FX icon. You will find this FX icon bottom of the appearance panel. Click on FX, then find Stylize and click on Drop Shadow. Set bending mode to multiply and keep opacity between 80 to 100%. X offset to 0 pixels, Y offset to 7 pixels, and blur amount set between 1 to 2. Now we will apply outer glow. In the bottom of appearance panel, click on FX icon, find Stylize, and click on outer glow. Set blending mode to screen and set opacity between 60 to 70%, blur amount should be 3 to 4. Now duplicate this effect. To duplicate this effect by pressing Alt key and drag above. Then click on outer glow and change only blur amount set to 1. Now we will apply same effect with same step to the IAM. We are only changing color, keep watching and follow the steps. If you want more glow, increase copies of shapes or outer glow effects until you satisfy. Now we don't need to follow this full steps to apply same effect on other shapes or text. Simply go to Windows and find Graphic Style, then drag the shape inside the Graphic Style panel which effect we want to save. Then we can apply this effect on any shape, only with drag and drop from Graphic Style panel to the shape. Adding some element to looks our effects better. Friends, if you like this tutorial, please give a like, and to grow our YouTube family, please share video link with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. Please let me know in the comment about this tutorial and also comment about what type of tutorial you want. And if you have any questions about this, feel free to ask. Here is our final result. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.